Okay, but this is actually easy.
It's just because we don't know
Yeah,
this.
so you guys just haven't been familiarized with spherical, right? Okay, so here's spherical coordinates. And really, if I want to do this problem off the practice test, all it is an example of the chain rule. I just want to find partial of f with respect to theta, right? Okay, so I've got some function, f of rho, theta, and phi, right? Okay, so let me take partial of f with respect to theta.
Oh, when I saw this, I was thinking you had to do 6 different ones, but it's just those are the variables it's in terms of, right?
Yeah, so maybe what if I rephrased this way? What if I said it wasn't directly a function of rho, theta, and phi?
But it was of x, y, and z.
But what if it's of x, y, and z, and then spherical's given by those?
Okay.
Now, if I want to find the partial of f with respect to theta,
You have to find
Partial
f
f,
with respect to
partial
x,
x,
and then with x.
and do y1 and do z1.
yeah, so I'd have to do, alright, partial of f with respect to x plus partial of f with respect to
Y.
y and partial of f with respect to z, right?
Mm-hmm.
But then I forgot some bits, right? Because I was
Yeah.
trying to find theta.
Partial of x
So-
respect to theta.
Are you sure it's a partial?
There's still
Probably.
2 variables.
Yeah, there's
3.
several variables, right?
So
X,
it should
y,
be.
and z are all functions of 3 variables, so they should be partials, right? So I'd do partial of x with respect to theta, partial of f with respect to y, and then partial of
Y and theta.
y with respect to theta. And this last guy,
Partial z with respect to theta.
partial of z with respect to theta.
Okay, that's not good at all.
Ah, okay, so then I should go through and do those, right?
Mhm.
Because I can, these pieces, the partials of f with respect to x, y, and z, I don't have a formula for f, right? So I don't have any hope of calculating those. But the partial of x with respect to theta, y with respect to theta, and z with respect to theta,
Okay.
those I can do. So,
So it
Donald,
just
say your
looked
thing
bad.
about z again. Good, perfect. No theta. This guy's 0. Not theta, but 0. Got thetas on my mind.
So then we leave those partial x over partial x.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that, right? So I'm just going to leave whatever that symbol is laying here. And then what's the partial of x with respect to theta?
Negative sign.
Yeah.
Okay, rho, negative sine, theta, sine phi.
Yeah.
Perfect. Right, because rho and sine phi are
Number.
functions, right? Those are numbers. So then I got to do this piece. All right, and then out of the other bit, I've got partial of f with respect to
Y.
y left chilling, right? Can't do anything with that.
And then rho for sine of theta, sine of phi. Okay, yeah, that's not. it's
Yeah,
just
there's nothing
intuitive
really
because
here,
it was
right?
spherical.
Yeah.
So ultimately, in the end, right?
Yeah.
That's your answer.
Okay.
Yeah, there's
well,
lots of
it was, like,
variables.
spherical, so it was like, oh, do I have to make a spherical equation, like a general one? That's what I thought I had to do.
Yeah, so, yeah, I realize that this is a little bit of field for what we've done, right? In the other class, we had spent a little more time playing with it. But it's a nice example of the chain rule, right?
Yeah.
And that's really all it is an example of the chain rule. Cool?